Deeper Facebook. That's what we call it. Let me introduce you to the team. I'm Aditi. This is Sneha, Ruchi, and Arun. The dataset we used for our analysis was collected from the Facebook API. It consists of wall posts and individual profile details. Using this set, we have come up with three different views. The node link, where we show connections between individuals. The scatter plot, where we depict the different moods of people. And the radial view, where individual profile details get highlighted. Now let us run you through a quick demo. This is the node link view of the Facebook wall posts that we have collected. The nodes in the graph represent the people. Two nodes are connected by an edge if the person has written a wall post on the other person's wall. On hovering on a node, we see how many people are connected to this person through a wall post. On hovering on an edge, we can see the message which connects the two individuals. Thus, on typing Amrita, the node Amrita gets highlighted on the screen. On hovering on this node, we see that a lot of nodes light up. This shows that she is connected to a lot of people through wall posts. Now if we type in the name Anusha, we find that she is connected to only two people. This shows that she communicates very less through wall posts. Now when you type in the name Abhishek and inspect his messages, it seems a lot of messages are written in his wall during his birthday. Can we find out the date when his birthday is? Thus we have sliders which help to narrow down the data according to year, month, and day. After analyzing the connections established by wall posts, let's dwell a little deeper into the contents of it. On the x-axis we see moods of the people that have been mapped through the wall posts on different people's wall. The y-axis denotes the months, and the size of each shape is the count. Hovering over each data point, we see the month, the mood, and the count on the right-hand top corner. The various colors depict the different months, and the shapes the different moods. The data can also be filtered based on the years, 2008 or 2009. If we now intend to find about general moods of people over a period of time, we can use the slider to narrow down the search. From this set of data, we see that there was very less communication or exchange of wall posts in the months of June and July, whereas communication in March, September, and December were very high, and this can be established by the different sizes of the shapes. Also we see that more number of people share wall posts when they are happy or if it's someone's birthday, and very few when they are sad, whereas even fewer when it comes to food or beverages. These insights might help researchers in drawing conclusions about the general moods of people over the years. Deeper Facebook also helps you visualize individual data. This radial graph shows connection between Lisa's Facebook friends network. This is evident when we focus on Lisa. All the other nodes are arranged on the concentric ring formed. Since it's Lisa's data, all the remaining nodes are on the same ring since they are at the same network distance from the focus. Now say we want to find Lisa and Arun's mutual friends. When we click on Arun, focus becomes Arun and all the data nodes on the inner ring are Arun and Lisa's mutual friends. Deeper Facebook also helps you find higher order connectivity. Say now we want to know Lisa, Arun and Bhavna's mutual friends. When we hover on Bhavna, individuals highlighted on inner rings are Lisa, Arun and Bhavna's mutual friends. Data nodes on outer ring are mutual connection between Bhavna and Lisa. Provisions to distinguish by gender are also provided. When we hover on an individual, his profile information like education, work are provided along with the link to the individual's profile. Deeper Facebook can also be used to categorize by sun sign along with their count. The wall post slider displays the count of wall posts Lisa receives from her friends over a period of 3 months. As you move the slider based on the count of the wall posts, her friends get highlighted.